Alright, tonight we've done a complete cleanup. As you can see, all the lathes and mills are taking all the products and stuff down. All the tools are put back up. What I've come across is we had to adjust our vise in order to cut a 40 to 45 degree angle into the end of our barrel for an extractor. So we used a Woodruff cutter and set our vise up at about 45 degrees so that way we can cut that. Well, now we've come into a dilemma when we go back to zero. As you can see, that mark there looks like it's just a half a bubble off, whereas that mark there looks like it's on the other side. Well, that's not very good. So therefore, how do you go about making sure that your vise is completely true across the entire width, so that way when you're moving your table, everything is in line? Well, as you can see, put in a last word indicator, ran it up to where it's touching on the flat surface of the vise, setting here, and then you adjust in until that meets. And right now we're moving along parallel, and as you can see, there is no movement into that dial, or very little. It likes it hits something and it bounces off. So done this 3 or 4 times, and now it looks like we are 1/1000th off over 6 inches. So that being said, let's bring this back. Into play. You got these big nuts just to give a little bit of play with. So let's see if we can't get that into place. Rock it from side to side. That one's good and tight. That's good and tight. And let's give it another whirl. Change direction on our feed. Man, that looks a lot better, don't it? Looks about like 3 or 4/10, but we're going to put that back to 0. Got it at 0. Switch our feed back over. Most of this job is done in the setup. So if you don't have the correct setup, you're not going to have the correct answer. So I would say that yes, we have got it. So we're going to let that roll, and good night.